guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's makeup tutorial is for a Navratri look. Now this is a very simple and easy look, but I've added a little twist. I've created this blue cat eye, I should say, look for all the people who love playing with colors. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Let me show you guys how I created this look. Now I've done my skin prep, skincare steps have been taken. I will start with the foundation. I've also applied the primer, so let's start with the foundation. But before moving forward, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and let's get started. So for foundation today, I've taken a Revolution foundation, now directly applying it on my face, and this is a very perfect and very medium to full coverage foundation and works really well. Now this is an exact same shade like according to my skin tone, and I really like how pigmented this foundation is, and you can easily blend this foundation. I'm using a foundation brush to blend this out. You can also use a beauty blender. Now let's move on to the concealer. I'm actually using two concealer, one from Milani, one from Revolution. The Revolution one is again a very medium to full coverage concealer, but this is very lightweight, and for the Milani one, I'm using this to highlight the areas on my face, and I'm taking a little lighter shade in the Milani one. Now using a beauty blender, I will be blending both the concealers which I've applied on my face, that is on my under eyes, on my forehead, nose bridge, and a little bit on my lip area to highlight those areas. Now let's move on to the loose powder. I'm using an airspun loose powder from Coty, and I'm going to be baking my under eyes using this loose powder. You can also apply the loose powder on entire face using a big fluffy brush. Let's move on to the next step. That's going to be a contour. So I'm using a Wet n Wild contour stick, applying it on the high points of my cheeks, and then using a contour brush I will be blending it out. I love this product. It is very affordable and a very good pigmented product. Now let's move on to the eyebrow pencil. I am using an eyebrow pencil from L'Oreal Paris, and then using a spoolie I will be brushing my eyebrow hair upward, and then I will be start filling my eyebrow. Okay, now let's move on to the eye makeup. So for my eye makeup, I'm using this eye pencil from NYX Cosmetics in the color Deep Blue. I'm going to be drawing a line very close to my lash line, and then second pencil which I'm going to be taking is again from NYX Cosmetics. It's going to be a very light color, light blue color, and then I'm going to be applying it on the very mid part of my waterline and doing the same thing on the other side as well. Now on the remaining parts, that is the half outer part and the half inner part, I'm going to be applying the dark blue pencil and just creating kind of a halo effect here. Now the eyeshadow palette which I'm going to be using is a Desert Dusk palette from Huda Beauty, and I'm going to be taking a combination of Eden and Amber color, just little bit from both, and I'm going to be applying it on my crease just to give a little transition effect on my crease area, and then using a big blending brush I will be blending it out. I am doing the same thing on the other side of my lid as well. Using a pencil brush, I will be blending out the kajal which I've applied near my waterline, and this will give a little smoky effect on the waterline. You don't need a color, just use a pencil brush to smoke it out. Now the mascara, today I'm using a Lancome mascara. Before using the mascara, I've also used the lash curler, and then after that I am using the mascara and applying it on both of my eyelashes. For the fake eyelashes, I have used a ColourPop fake eyelashes in the shade, in the name Lover, and very lightweight, very easy to apply. For the bronzer, I'm using a Hoola bronzer, and I'm going to be applying this little bit on my high points of the cheeks just to contour and give that little cheeky bones, and also be applying a little bit on my jawline. Now for the blush, I've taken a big blush from Milani, my favorite blush. For the highlighter, I've used a Champagne Pop highlighter from Becca Cosmetics. Again, my favorite. Unfortunately, now this product and this brand has been discontinued from the market. Now let's move on to the next step, that is setting spray. I'm using a setting spray from Maybelline, applying it all over my face. And here this completes our makeup look, you guys. Oh, I forgot to mention I've applied the lipstick which is from Maybelline Superstay Matte Lipstick, and then I've applied the gloss little bit. For the lipstick shade, everything it's mentioned on the description box. Make sure you check it out. Then I've added little jhumkas and then tied my hair, and then also put some kurti and then took dupatta. So this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. It was super quick, super easy, and I'm gonna catch you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye guys.